Buying a home step by step. Step 1. Building your home buying team. Chapter 1. Choosing the right real estate agent, your team coordinator. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Many people think the first step is finding the perfect house. In reality, the first step is building the right home buying team. Every successful team needs someone to coordinate the process, and that's where your real estate agent comes in. Your real estate agent does much more than just unlock the doors and write the contracts. Your agent helps you understand the market, listens to your wants and your needs, schedules home showings, prepares and examines offers, negotiates on your behalf, keeps track of important deadlines, and helps solve problems if they arise. Your agent also coordinates with the other professionals involved in your purchase, including your lender, home inspector, closing attorney, insurance company, home warranty, and the listing agent. When everybody works together, the home buying process is usually much more smoother. Buying a home isn't something you should have to figure out by yourself. Having an experienced professional coordinating your team can help reduce stress and give you confidence from the beginning to the end. Next week, we'll meet your lender and discuss why getting pre-approved before you begin shopping for a home is one of the smartest steps you can take. Thank you for joining me for Home Matters with Lori Walker. Tomorrow, join me on Out and About with Lori as we explore what's happening around Paulding and West Cobb.